What is this now? Network again. This money must go now. They are waiting for me.
Dad, what's happening?
This app is stressing me. Delay, network, and they are pressuring me to send money urgently. That app you always talk about.
KiiBank.
Is it really different?
Yes, because KiiBank is not just for sending money.
So what is it for?
You fund your account first. Your money stays there. You're not rushing. You're not panicking. You release money when you are ready, not when pressure hits.
So I don't have to send immediately.
Exactly. You stay prepared, not reactive.
So this thing is about control.
Yes, Dad.
Okay, help me set it up properly.
Let me help you download it first.
Hope this is not another bank app where no they work.
Just listen to what I am saying. Now, register. Enter your details. And take a selfie.
Why is it always selfie with these apps?
Because money likes to know who it's dealing with.
Done.
Good. Now, your account is ready. You can now fund your account.
So all that time you were sharing money?
I was just organized. But Dad, since I helped you today,
What?
that means I won't be paying your rent again.
Don't push your luck.